Hi doctor and hi everyone, we are from Group E and my name is Chong Jing Qian, and today we will present the technology market intelligence of Petronas. Before we start our presentation, let me to introduce our group member, which is Chong Jing Qian, Kun Guo Kang, Liu Xing'e, Lin Zhuoyi, Liu Xuexing and Zuhairi bin Hajro Azmi. And first of all, I will present the introduction and explain the current state of market intelligence technology in Malaysia. So Malaysia is quickly adopting the AI, machine learning and big data to support its digital transformation. So especially under my digital initiative. So in 2024, the government have launched the National AI Office and it allocated 60 million ringgit to support AI development and education in budget 2025. So AI is expected to contribute the USD 130.4 billion to the economy by 2030 year. So the first example I will give you is Maybank. Maybank has used the AI in its MAE app to give the personalized financial advice, and now already over the 70% of its customer interaction are digital. So the second example I will give it is AirAsia. AirAsia has used the AirAsia Move app to offer the real-time pricing and travel the personalization for over 51 million users. So it can also improve the fuel and crew efficiency. So that's all example is show how the Malaysia is moving fast toward a data-driven future. And that's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, Doctor. I'm Xing'e. Now that we have looked at some examples of market intelligence technologies being implemented in Malaysia, let's shift our focus to enterprise preparation and adoption trends. According to Cisco's 2024 AI Readiness Index, it shows that only 14% of Malaysian business are fully AI ready. Many organizations are still in the early stage, facing challenges such as infrastructure limitations, skill gaps, and system integration barriers. However, it's promising to note that more than 55% of companies are already allocating between 10 to 30% of their IT budgets toward NI and AI tools, signaling a clear shift towards data-driven decision making. One strong example which become our chosen product of AI and MI in action, and this can be seen in Petronas solar and renewable energy operations. Through its Plus by Petronas platform, the company used AI-powered dashboards and real-time analytics to monitor solar energy production, usage trends, and system health. These tools support predictive maintenance, helping reduce downtime and increase energy efficiency. At sites like NMHE West Yard and University Technology Petronas utilize machine learning algorithms to optimize the positioning of solar panels by analyzing the factors such as sunlight exposure and weather conditions. These innovations allow solar system to run at maximum efficiency with the minimal manual labor, which demonstrating on how MI technologies can support sustainability goals while improving operational performance. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Liu Xuexing. I will be presenting the benefits and opportunities of market intelligence technologies in Malaysia. First, these technologies help business make better decisions. For example, retailers like Watsons and 7-Eleven use AI to analyze customer behavior and tailor promotion, which increase customer satisfaction and sales. Next, MI2 improve productivity. Under the Industry 4WLD program, factories in Malaysia have seen up to a 30% increase in efficiency using smart systems like predictive maintenance. These technologies also support sustainability. Petronas, through its subsidiary Gentari, use Hub AI to monitor solar panels in real time, helping them reduce energy waste and lower carbon emissions. Petronas has also partnered with Nothing Group to form a joint venture called NES. Together, they provide solar energy to clients like Tesco through power purchase agreements that use smart meters and analytics to track energy usage and environmental impact. Market intelligence also benefits SME. Through government initiatives like My Digital and Smart Automation grants, as well as investment from Microsoft and Google, local business can now afford to adopt digital tools. In the long term, these technologies will not only improve productivity but also position Malaysia as a leading digital economy in the region. That's all from me. Now I'll pass to the next student. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I am Lim Zui. Today I will be presenting on the key challenge and barriers that Malaysia company face in the adopting market intelligence or MI technology. Our focus will include real-world examples from Petronas and leading organizations that have been actively implementing MI strategy. While MI adoption is growing in Malaysia, the journey is far from smooth. Companies across industry encounter varying challenges that hinder progress. This variant can be grouped into three main categories, which is financial, technical, and culture. In this presentation, we will explore each of these challenges in detail with special attention to how they affect SME and how large firms like Petronas respond. One of the most significant barriers is the high cost of implementation. Advanced MI tools such as artificial intelligence platform, big data infrastructure, and predictive analysis software require substantial investment. Not only is there an upfront cost, but there are also ongoing expenses for system upgrade, cybersecurity, and employee training. For many SME in Malaysia, these costs are difficult to manage, especially when the return on investment is not immediately clear. Next is the issue of talent. According to the CCOS AI Readiness Index, only 40% of Malaysian enterprises are considered fully AI ready. The shortage of professionals with expertise in AI, data science, and analytics remain a major challenge. While Petronas has addressed this through initiatives such as its AI Center of Excellence and Digital Academy, most SME cannot afford to build such programs. As a result, the talent gap continues to limit MI adoption. Data privacy is another growing concern. Malaysian Personal Data Protection Act is currently undergoing update that will enforce strictly requirements, such as mandatory breach reporting and the appointment of Data Protection Office. Many businesses, especially small ones, are unclear about their responsibility under this law. However, Petronas has actively implemented strong data governance framework and cybersecurity program to ensure compliance. Unfortunately, not all organizations have the resources to do the same. Beyond cost and compliance, we also see cultural resistance. Many employees and even leaders are hesitant to embrace new technology. This often stems from a fear of change or job insecurity. If the organizational culture does not support digital transformation, projects tend to fail. Petronas integrates digital transformation into its corporate strategy with top-down leadership and structural support. But similar firms often lack this direction and face greater internal pushback. Another key challenge is the digital divide. While Malaysia has impressed mobile coverage around 96%, many rural and remote areas still lack reliable fixed broadband. In fact, there is a gap of around 30 percentage points in broadband access between urban and rural regions. This makes it very difficult for rural SME or government office to use cloud-based MI tools that require stable and high-speed internet. Let's now look at the energy sector. Petronas has started integrating MI into its renewable energy initiative, such as solar rooftop project under the M+ brand. This effort uses tools like Hope AI to monitor and optimize energy performance. However, such project requires costly infrastructure and dual expertise in both data science and energy system. Even Petronas face challenges in coordinating between its traditional oil and gas team and newer clean energy unit.
Hello, Doctor and everyone. My name is Kun. I am going to present the strategy for how Petronas can adopt market intelligence technology. As a globally leading energy company, Petronas operates in a very competitive and dynamic environment. To maintain its position, the use of MI technology is necessary. MI technology can help Petronas improve its agility, enhance risk management, and make better decisions based on real-time data. In this presentation, I going through 5 strategy approach, starting with investment in tools, followed by partnership, talent development, infrastructure, and greater implementation. Let's look at the summary of this strategy. First, Petronas should invest in tools like SAP, Tableau, and AI systems to enable real-time data analysis and market forecasting. Second, collaboration with tech partners like MDEC, MIMOS, Berhad, and Microsoft can bring in expert support and reduce development costs. Third, Petronas should focus on building its own internal talent through professional training and partnership with university. They can reduce reliance on consultants. 4. Strong data governance and infrastructure are essential. Cloud storage and secure data systems are the backbone of reliable MI systems. Lastly, producers should apply a phased approach, starting with pilot projects in departments like upstream and downstream, and then expanding based on success. Through this combined strategy, Petronas can remain competitive and build a strong data-driven future. Thank you. That's all for me.
Assalamualaikum Doctor. My name is Zulhairi, and today I'm gonna present my part, which is conclusion. So to wrap things up, it's clear that market intelligence technologies aren't just some fancy extra anymore. They are becoming a must-have for any serious digital transformation in Malaysia. And Petronas, they're not just talking about it; they're actually doing it. From using real-time analytics, AI dashboard to platforms like M+ and Hawk AI, these tools are helping them work faster, smarter, and even more environmentally responsible. This shows that digital transformation isn't just about keeping up with trends, it's about making real changes that have impact. For my final thoughts, so what I understand from all this is that having technology alone isn't enough. What really matters is how you use it and whether your people and your strategy are growing with it. Petronas prove that digital transformation doesn't have to be overwhelming. They plan carefully, invest in the right areas, and learn as they go. I hope more Malaysian companies take this as inspiration, because when you combine the right tools, strong partnership, and real people development, you're not just transforming your company, but you're helping Malaysia move forward in the digital world. That's all from me. Thank you.